Don't be worried about power outages and internet interruptions. Here is the new WGP UPS304 Mini DC UPS. It have a 6-year extended lifespan with a 20,000 mAh high-capacity battery. The package includes Mini UPS, warranty card, qualified certificate card, instruction manual, 2 DC cables. It supports multiple output ports and voltages, DC 12V, DC 9V, USB, and Type-C output. Let's see how to connect and use it. 12 volts device, 9 volts device, adapter connected to input, DC cable connected to 12 volts output, DC cable connected to 9 volts output. Also connect to the USB output port and Type-C port. Did you get it?